Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the hardware ready. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it. Once done, switch the TV input to that port. Make sure your phone and Chromecast use the same Wi-Fi network. Now install and open Google Home, sign in with your Google account, and allow Bluetooth and location so the app can find the device. This gets you into the setup flow immediately and avoids later connectivity surprises. You'll continue by following the Google Home prompts to add the Chromecast. When the device appears, accept the pairing request and choose the correct Wi-Fi network. This ensures stable streaming and reduced lag. Name your Chromecast something you'll recognize in the cast menu, and optionally enable guest mode if others will connect. Make sure to test playback volume and connection by casting a short clip. This confirms the device and network settings are correct before you move on to real viewing. Now start casting. Open a supported app like YouTube or Netflix, tap the cast icon, and pick your Chromecast. You can also mirror your phone by using the Google Home device card and selecting Cast My Screen. Remember to stop casting when finished to return the TV to its input. If something fails, reboot the Chromecast and your phone first. If that doesn't help, verify both are on the same Wi-Fi band and rerun setup. Most connectivity problems clear after a restart and correct network selection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.